Arnold Rothstein was a notorious figure in American organized crime during the early 20th century. Known as the Brain, Rothstein gained notoriety for his involvement in illegal gambling, bootlegging during Prohibition, and his alleged role in the fixing of the 1919 World Series. In this video, we explore the life, criminal activities, and legacy of Arnold Rothstein. Arnold Rothstein was born on January 17, 1882, in Manhattan, New York City. Coming from a Jewish immigrant family, he grew up in a neighborhood that exposed him to the criminal elements of the Lower East Side. Rothstein began his criminal career as a teenage street gambler, honing his skills and learning the intricacies of various games. Rothstein quickly rose to prominence as a skilled gambler and an astute businessman. He established a vast gambling empire, running high-stakes poker games, illegal casinos, and bookmaking operations. Rothstein's empire extended beyond New York City and reached into other major cities across the United States. However, Rothstein's involvement in gambling was not limited to traditional games. He also played a significant role in the emerging world of horse race and sports betting, establishing complex networks and manipulating odds to his advantage. One of the most infamous incidents associated with Arnold Rothstein is his alleged involvement in fixing the 1919 World Series, commonly known as the Black Sox scandal. While never proven in court, it was widely believed that Rothstein financed the bribery scheme that led to several Chicago White Sox players intentionally losing the series to the Cincinnati Reds. Despite his suspected involvement, Rothstein was never formally charged in connection with the scandal. Arnold Rothstein's criminal activities and influential persona left a lasting legacy. He was known for his exceptional business acumen, sharp intellect, and ability to navigate both the criminal underworld and society's elite. However, Rothstein's success eventually began to unravel. In November 1928, he was shot during a business dispute, and despite surviving the initial attack, he refused to cooperate with law enforcement in identifying his assailant. A choice often attributed to his mafia code of silence. Rothstein's financial empire suffered during the Great Depression, leading to mounting debts and financial difficulties. On November 6, 1928, he died from his gunshot wounds, forever solidifying his place as a legendary figure in American organized crime history. Arnold Rothstein, known as the Brain, was a powerful and influential figure in American organized crime during the early 20th century. His involvement in illegal gambling, rumored connections to the fixing of the 1919 World Series, and his enigmatic persona make him an enduring figure in the annals of crime. While his life ended in tragedy, Rothstein's legacy continues to captivate the imagination of those interested in the history of organized crime.